Good morning, student. Myself Aduba welcomes you for you all in Ratnamani School for Children. Today we will learn unit number 1, the poem Ant and the Cricket. We have learned the spelling about this poem in first part, in first period. Right now we will go ahead in the poem. So the poem The Ant and the Cricket. Here we know some information about the poem. So it is a fable story. Fable story means the story which which uh, which presents to us the people for the moral lesson. So here two character like ant and cricket, both are the character presented by the poet, and they also inform us how to live a happy life and how to do during the tough time. So here we start the poem. First line in first stanza: a silly young cricket accustomed to sing. A silly means silly cricket. The whole day used to sing and sing. A silly cricket sing a song whole day. Though the warm, sunny months of gay summer and spring, in all the season, in warm season, summer season, spring season, all the season, cricket sing and sing. Began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. When the winter season came, that time the cricket complained to himself, my cupboard was empty, I have no food to eat. He complained himself. Not a crumb to be found, not a single grain and not a bits of bread found in the cupboard of the cricket. On the snow covered ground, not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. In the winter season, the snow covered the ground so that the cricket not find a flower and not find a single grain and not find a single leaf on the tree in the winter season. Oh, what will become, says the cricket, of me? Cricket said to himself. Oh, what will become? What will happen with me? I have no food. What will do I? At last, by the starvation and the famine, at last, by starvation and famine, made bold at last by the starvation and the food of shortage of food. So all the dripping wet, all the land became wet, and all trembling with cold, and everywhere the season is winter, so everywhere cold spread. So cricket trembling itself. Away he set off a misery ant. At last he decided to go go with the house of his friend the ant, to see if to keep him alive he would grant. He wanted to go to his friend's house. His friends keep him alive. Him scented for rain and mouthful of grain. He wished only to borrow. He had repaid tomorrow. He wanted to go to his friend's house, aunt's house, and he asked for the shelter from the rain, asked for the grain, and he want to get the grain for borrow. And he also said to him, he will say to him, I will repay your grain and other the food item. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. And if the aunt don't give the ants don't give him food, so the cricket die of starvation and sorrow. Student, we will go ahead in the poem. Says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend. At last, you can see in the picture, at last the cricket reached at the house of the ant, and cricket said to ant, I am your servant and I am your friend. But we ant never borrow, we ant never lend. But the ant said to the cricket, we the ant never borrow and never lend. But tell me, dear cricket. But the ant said to cricket, but dear, tell me, cricket, did you lend nothing by when the weather warm? The weather is warm, so you never saved anything in your cupboard? Caught the cricket, not I. The cricket replied him, I never saved a little grain in my cupboard. Cricket said to him, my heart was so delighted, so light, that I sang day and night, for all the nature looked gay. You sang, sir, you say. The cricket said to ant, my heart was so light in summer season, so that I sang day and night, sing, sing and sing. For all the nature looked gay. I like the nature very well, very much, so I sang the whole season in summer season. And the ant replied him, you sang, sir, you say. You mean to say that you sing and sing, not do any other activity like saving food and other. Says the ant, go then. So you go from here and dance winter away. You danced in summer season and you have no food, so you go from here and dance in the winter season. Thus, the ending, he hastily lifted the cricket. At last, the ants lifted the wicket hastily, fastly, and out of the door turned poor little cricket, and the little ant drive away the cricket from their door. Folks call this fable. This is the fable story. I will warrant it's true, and I think that this is the true story related with the human being. Some cricket have 4 legs and some have 2 legs. Some cricket have 4 legs means this is the fable story. So 4 legs like a cricket, and some have 2 legs means we the human being. So this is the fable story, and the fable story teaches us lesson in the tough season. In the tough time, we should save ourselves and we should save for our family member. So friends, student, this is the story of the ant and cricket. We will learn next time in next period.